Hello friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an interesting, simple and easy paneer recipe that is made with home having ingredients. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to prepare the mixture, and for marinating alone it takes 10 to 15 minutes. Let us jump to the recipe. In a mixer jar, I am adding green chilies, 2 numbers. You can also add 3 green chilies, ginger 1 inch, garlic 5 pods, curry leaves 1 sprig. I have taken 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, rice flour 3 spoons. Rice flour actually gives crispness to the paneer, so I am adding rice flour. Salt required for preparing this mixture. Fennel 1 spoon. So we have to grind these mixtures raw, and after grinding once we are going to add 2 to 3 spoons of water to it. Don't add much water because the water may also result in getting the moisture too much and not getting properly mixed with the paneer. So the mixture paste should be like this. Now in a bowl I am adding 200 grams of paneer. Now I am adding the grinded coriander masala paste. Add the entire masala paste to the paneer. We have not used any masalas from the outside stores or etc. But we have used the ingredients that can be used from home to make this paneer roast recipe. So now I am gently mixing the masala with the paneer. Now I am adding 2 spoons of corn flour to it to combine the masala properly at the time of frying. Just mix well gently. Make sure that the paneer does not break. So now we have to rest it for 15 minutes minimum or for half an hour for the masala to get well grasped by the paneer. You can also refrigerate if needed. Now you can see that the masalas are well combined with the paneer. Let's now roast the paneer. I have taken 1/4 cup of oil in a pan. Let the oil get well heated. I am going to add paneer one after the other in medium flame. Give a gap between one and another paneer so that at the time of flipping it will be very convenient and comfortable for us to flip the paneer one after the other. As soon as the bubbles begins to subside, we have to flip the paneer because over frying the paneer may result in the paneer losing its sponginess and moisture. To have a tender and a soft paneer, we have to flip the paneer once the bubbles begins to subside. Don't over fry it at any cost. So now you can see the wonderful output of the masala that we have prepared at home. So we have finished our paneer roast fry. See how the masala has combined well with the paneer with no other masalas added to it. Please do try this recipe at home and do share that recipe with your friends and family. Post your comments in the comment section. Kindly waiting for your replies for this recipe. Stay connected. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.